Today I'm going to show you strategies to solve two-digit by two-digit multiplication problems. The example I'm going to use is 16 multiplied by 47. With 16 being the multiplier, 47 being the multiplicand, and the blank being the product or the answer. Now, however, due to the commutative property, the multiplier and the multiplicand can switch places and still get the same answer. So let's do this problem together. First, we're going to make an estimation. This will help students' conceptual understanding of the problem and keeps them on track for the answer. Estimation is always useful at the beginning. So the strategy we're going to use is halving and doubling. So we're going to take 16 divided by 2, and we're going to take 47, except 47 is not really that nice of a number, so we're actually going to make this 50. Again, it's still just an estimation. So we're going to go 50 multiplied by 2. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. 50 multiplied by 2 is 100. So here we have 8 times 100 equals 800. So that's approximately our estimation. The first method we're going to use to solve this problem is base 10 blocks. We're going to arrange them in an array method. This will make it easier to count them afterwards. Okay, so here we have our base 10 blocks, and I've arranged them already just for the interest of time. So on the side here we have 10, which is one of these rods. It's important to note that one of these rods is equal to 10 singles, and 10 rods is equal to 1 flat, which is 100 singles. I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 for 16 here, and 47 on the top. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 47 on the top. And then we kind of multiply it on the way down. So we have 10 by 10 is 100, 10 by 10, 100, 10 by 10, 100, and 10 by 10, 100. And then we have the 10 times 1, which is 10, so all the way along those for those 7 singles. Same thing with here, 10 for all the ones. And then we have over here, we have 6 singles and 7 singles over here. So this is our answer here, but it's kind of cluttered, so we can regroup them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we go, we can take 10 rods for 1 flat. Out of the flats, and then we have 1 rod left over. Now we don't have any more rods to make into the flats, but we do have singles to make into rods. 4 times 10 is 40, so that we can fit 4 rods in place of 40 singles. And when we do that, we find out that we have 2 singles left over. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens, which is 50, and 2 singles. So that stays as 2. So 752. Okay, now to pictorially represent what we just did, we're gonna draw 7 flats, which we again just discussed that they are 100 each. We're gonna then draw 5 rods, which we know are 10 each. And we're going to draw 2 units, which we know are 1 each. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hundreds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens, and 1, 2 ones. So 752. Now for the symbolic method, so in the hundreds place, we have 7. In the tens place, we have 5. In the ones place, we have 2. So 7 in the 100s place gives us 700. Or 5 in the tens place, sorry, gives us 50. And 2 in the ones place gives us 2. Adding all these together gives us our answer of 752. Now quickly looking back at our estimation over here, we said it was about 800. We knew this would be a little over, so 752 is pretty good. Now my personal strategy that I'm going to show you, I have used the base 10 grid method. Pull out the place values of the numbers. So again, 16 times 47. So here we're going to take 10 and 6 and 40 and 7. So here we have 1 in the place value of the 10, 6 in the ones. Here we have 4 in the place value of the tens and 7 in the ones. And we're going to multiply these. So 40 times 10, it might be a little bit of a difficult number for kids to work with. So we're going to go 4 times 1, which is 4, and then add the zeros in afterwards. 4 times 6, we know is 24. Again, adding the 0 in for 240. 7 times 1 is 7, adding the 0 for 70. And 7 times 6, which we discussed in our base 10 blocks, we know that it's 42. Giving us a total, so if we add these together, so 400 plus 240 equals 640, and 70 plus 42 equals 112. So 640 plus 112 gives us our answer of 752.